everyone, this is Heather Beebe with the Additive Guru channel, and today we're going to do a video about the repairing parts in Meshmixer. So sometimes whenever you get a part, especially scan data, it can be a little bit messed up and we'll have to repair it. So I'll go ahead and show you one like that. So I've uploaded an example of a part that does have some issues with it. And so what we're going to do is be able to repair it. And so you can see a lot of the problems are shown already with the little red spots. You can also take a part into Meshmixer and then go to Analysis Inspector, and it'll show you all these different parts that it has errors at. So you can either choose from minimal fill, flat fill, or smooth fill, and then you'll just hit auto repair all. So we still had the one spot left that needed to get filled, so we're going to change to smooth fill, auto repair all, and then that's gone. So then we'd be done, and that is how you fix a model in Meshmixer. So thank you for watching, and check out some of our other videos.